Hello everyone, my name is Moirish. I am not an expert. I am starting from zero. No shortcuts, no perfection, just daily progress. This is my journey to improve my life. Welcome to Change Your Life. So today I woke up early in the morning at 7 o'clock. I generally woke up at around 10:12, but for this challenge I woke up and I start running. I was unable to go to gym today because of some of the reason. I feel today's learning was to plan my whole day. Means because due to the some of the reasons I was unable to go to gym, and I have not planned my day properly. That's why I think I was feeling something empty. So I also studied something about my engineering. I also learn about finance. I also learn some. Mainly I learn something important like mm, doing regular investments are generally good for us rather than doing something, getting money and putting in stock market or something that we don't know. It's better to invest regularly. That's what I learned today. So I have also learned the life lessons. The seven important learning of my life of today's, we can say, are: first, don't work only for money. Second, buying luxury items which you cannot afford. People may in their career at the starting itself buy something luxury that they cannot afford and started working for that luxury items like cars, like homes, or something like that. Doing everything yourself. Don't do everything yourself. Like you are having some businesses, so don't think that I will do all the things in that business. Secondly, having too many inputs. Like you have to work on this also, you have to work on that also, you have to also do uh, you also have to do job, you also have to do business, you also have to do, you should focus on one thing and start doing that regularly. Fifth thing that I learned is being ego driven. Don't be ego driven. Don't think that you know everything in the world. Just from that you unable to answer the people or communicate with the people who are more intelligent than you. You think that you know everything and you just don't listen them. The sixth best thing that I learned is don't blame. And a famous quote that, like a Chinese famous quote that I have learned is: the man who blames other has a long way on his journey to go. The man who blames himself is halfway there. The man who doesn't blame is become has become successful. So this is one of the quote that I have learned today. Don't stay in your comfort zone. This is the one of the best quote. Like I also personally have seen this. Like I am also waking up at 11 o'clock. I was thinking that I will do something, but it was generally unable for me to do that work as I was in my comfort zone. But now, since I have started to make a content and started to show people what I am doing, so for that purpose, I have to wake up at 7 o'clock, start running, start doing my work. Like I have also learned how to upload videos. I was not knowing how to make thumbnails, how to make a YouTube channel, or how to edit this video. I'm editing this video from Canva since other editor has some of the watermarks. So that's the main issue, that why I am uploading the videos from Canva or editing the videos from Canva. So so I feel we have to stop here. Like that, it's for today. Today wasn't perfect, but I showed up, and that's matter. Day one is done, and I will see you tomorrow. Change your life. So, goodbye.